Good morning, students. Welcome back to the computer class. I hope you all are enjoyed your previous Zoom session because in that session हमने practically किया था ना, और हमने क्या पढ़ा था? How to create the presentation and how to use the templates in our presentation. But now today we are going to discuss about the PowerPoint views. Meaning of views is that कि हम अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन को कैसे देख सकते हैं, किन किन तरीकों से देख सकते हैं, हम उन्हें कैसे व्यू कर सकते हैं. सो देर आर सम फ्यू टाइप्स आर गिवन इन योर बुक by which we are going to view our presentation slides, जिनसे हम देखेंगे कि हम अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन स्लाइड्स को कैसे कैसे देख सकते हैं, किस किस लेआउट में, और कैसे उसे प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. Okay, so now I am going to telling you again practically how we can view our presentation slides, and I hope you all are enjoying. Okay? Okay class, first of all, you know very well how to start the MS PowerPoint. You have to just click on the start button. After that, you have to click on all programs. In all programs, you have to click on the Microsoft Office in which you can see a PowerPoint Office. MS PowerPoint is there. You have to click on it. See, a window will be appear in front of you, which is MS PowerPoint software, which is used to present the presentation. Now in this window, I have already saved a file with the name of computer. We have to open it first. To open the file, we have to click on open button, in which a file is already saved with the name of computer. You have to click on it and open it. Now in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the PowerPoint views, in which we can see how we can view our presentation. There are different ways to view our presentation. See, मैंने पहले से 2 स्लाइड्स बनाकर सेव कर रखी हैं, in which now I am going to telling you by practically how to view these presentations. You have to click on view button. This is your tab. You have to click on view tab, in which you can see there are so many types of views are given. The first one is normal view, the second one is slide sorter, the third one is notes page, and the fourth one is slide sorter. The first one is normal view. Whenever you click on this, you have to see on screen, this is your normal view. आप अपनी presentations को कैसे देख सकते हो? The first type is normal view, जो by default आपकी presentations जैसे show होती हैं, वो क्या है? Normal view. It will look like this. Whenever you click on slide sorter, your slides will be sorted in a order. See, number 1 and number 2, like this. These all slides should be displayed in a order. The name indicates that slide sorter. Sorter का मतलब क्या होता है? Sort करना किसी order में, चाहे वो increasing order हो या decreasing order हो. The third one is notes page. See, whenever you click on that, आपका presentation का एक single slide open हुआ, and you have to click on this. See, if you want to write any extra text on it, see, a box will be here, a box will be given. You have to write any extra text, or we can say that जैसे हम notes किस लिए बनाते हैं, ताकि हम हमारे लिए कन्वीनियंट रहे, या फिर कोई अननोन पर्सन है उसे पता हो कि व्हाट इज़ द पर्पस ऑफ दिस. सो टू गिव द डिटेल्स और द एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशंस अबाउट द स्लाइड, वी हैव टू यूज़ द नोट्स पेज view, which will look like this. And the fourth one is slide show. See, whenever you click on the slide show, आपकी slides full screen पर show होनी शुरू हो जाएंगी. And whenever you click on the enter button from the keyboard, see, the next slide will be open. It will be open in front of you. You can see yes, and after clicking on enter again आप लोग वापस अपनी स्क्रीन पर मूव कर जाओगे. So these are the 4 types beta which are already given in the view tab, and one by one हमने इसके बारे में देखा कि how it is useful. Now back to the home page. See beta, whenever we back to the home page, the one of the different type of the view of your PowerPoint views is a outline view. See, a outline is given. आउटलाइन व्यू देखने से क्या होता है, आप जितनी भी नंबर ऑफ स्लाइड्स यूज़ कर रहे हो उन सारी नंबर ऑफ स्लाइड्स लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे आपको एक ऑर्डर में दिखाई देंगी. आप आउटलाइन व्यू टैब से स्लाइड्स को, उनके ऑर्डर्स को भी चेंज कर सकते हो. सी, व्हेन आई एम गोइंग टू क्लिक ऑन आउटलाइन टैब, आपकी स्लाइड पे, एक पर्टिकुलर स्लाइड पे जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन लिखी है वो आपको यहाँ पर एक आउटलाइन की फॉर्म में डिस्प्ले होगी, जिससे आप इजीली देख सकते हो आपने स्लाइड में डाटा क्या यूज़ किया है. सो बेटा दीज आर द टाइप्स ऑफ टू व्यू द पावरपॉइंट स्लाइड्स. In the last lecture, so many students ask me, ma'am, what do you mean by ribbon? What is ribbon? See beta, this is called a ribbon which contains some tabs. These are tabs, and each tab contains some tools which are commonly used to create the presentation, and they are very helpful, and they are in the graphic way represented in the toolbar.